update. It is now 2:56 p.m. Hopefully you can hear me because it's pretty windy out here. And it's raining. But yes, we did take everything inside and we just finally finished boarding up all the windows. And we put sandbags all around the house in the street. So we got this right here, this black thing on the ground. It's supposed to expand when it gets really wet, I guess. So we're gonna see, hopefully that will help. And we got these handbags here for our garage. And then for this big old trailer, we put a bunch of these stones, so you already know, so it doesn't roll. And then we already cleared up the yard, took the trash cans, moved the cars away. And we had more bricks here, but we took them off because they're not safe. And then we just gotta put the rest like in front of the door and then in the back. But yeah, everything, boarded up. And we also we had gutters, but we put it in this trailer because just with like light winds, they always fall up anyways. They're not sturdy, so it's unsafe. So we don't want it flying, and So yeah, this is definitely gonna be the first to flood because it's just starting and look. This is my almost 3 p.m. update. Oh, super windy in Tampa. I'm in the Temple Terrace area, like 5 minutes from Busch Gardens. We're not in an evacuation zone, so this is very so hopefully it doesn't get crazy. So we'll update you guys.